Hello friends and happy Easter. Today we will paint one nest in the branches, and first I wanna put water on everything except on these eggs in the nest. Not too much water because this paper is not really watercolor paper. So now I want to add this crazy yellow. See how this paper is drying fast. Something like this. And now when this is drying, I want to paint our nest with light and dark brown and a little bit of maybe green. So these are the little branches from the nest. We're working with gouache on this painting. I think until now I make 3 of this Easter painting on my channel. Now I want to add a little bit of leaves here and there just to show that these branches are from real tree. Okay, now we will come back on this part. Now I want to paint these other branches all around this nest. So one is here, one is here. So something like that. Then we will take a bigger brush and we will take this super light green and we will add a bit of these green leaves here and there. Somewhere smaller, somewhere bigger. something like this. Then I want to really light blue for these eggs, and I first want to make this one. A little too much water. Like this. Now I want a darker green, and I want a bit of this dark on every leaf, like that here, on small and big. And now I want to leave everything to dry a bit, and then I will add white flowers around and a little bit of shadows on the branches and everywhere. Okay guys, now we are ready to our lighter colors, and I want to mix here this light cream brown with white. Now I want to add all of that here. And now the flowers. I want these white flowers. Now I want to add black spots on these legs. And maybe even a little bit of shadow. Like this. Now more of these green leaves here. Now I will take this green color and a little bit white. So I want to shape these flowers around. Now, since this is too much, I will add more water. Like this, and then more white. So now I think we need more of this green and more leaves. So I will take this brush . Now I want to take a bigger brush . More leaves, but just like shadows, to not be visible so much. And then almost orangey yellow. And then the darkest green. And that is that, guys. My spring Eastery painting. See you in 4 days. Happy Easter. Bye.